Hi guys, Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Heritage Glen LTZ 295 bunkhouse fifth wheel. Come on in, I'll show you the features. When you come in, everything's a lighter color. You got plenty of natural daylight. If you come in the back here, you got two bunks that actually wrap around so you can actually get a couple kids up there. You got storage for some of their clothes. Right here, this is a jackknife bed that'll fold out. You got a fireplace, it's an electric one, it'll actually heat up the whole area. Your nice flat screen TV. Got double door fridge. Got a Furrion counter cooktop, 3 burners. Microwave, small oven, and this is really nice. You got a place to put your pots and pans. Nice large stainless steel sink, full extending drawers and storage for a garbage can, and then you got storage above. Got room here for all kinds of stuff. Come on up and I'll show you the bedroom and the bathroom. When you come in, you got a little closet there for towels, a corner shower, and then you have a medicine cap. All right, when you come in the bedroom, you got a nice large closet with a walk-around queen-size bed. And then you also have 3 full extending drawers for your socks, clothes, etc. Come on outside and I'll show you the rest of this nice fifth wheel. When you come down out of the fifth wheel, they got more ride steps and they're adjustable steps, so no matter what terrain you are, you always have a nice stable steps. You got a really nice large awning, it's power awning, outside speakers, outside fridge, and then you have an outside grill with the sink. Storage in the back, lawn chairs, coolers, ladder to get on the roof. You got a full pass-through, your outside shower, all your hookups, and then you got propane tanks on each side. Guys, if you'd like to see this Heritage Glen 295 bunkhouse, please give me a call. My name is Fred.Zent. My number is 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.